The next tag is heading tags. Whenever we are designing HTML page, many a times we require that the page should contain certain headings. In HTML, we have headings from H1 to H6. H1 is the highest level heading, H6 is the smallest level heading. It means that the font size of H1 is highest and font size of H6 is smallest. HTML provides 6 levels of headings. It is represented as H1 text content /H1. H1 is a paired tag, hence it has a closing tag also. The text which is present in between H1 and /H1 will be heading. H1 is the largest heading level and H6 is the smallest heading level. Heading tags have one attribute, that is align. The values of align attribute are left, right and center. The default value is left. Default value means if we do not use the attribute, then headings will be aligned in the left hand side of the page. Also, important over here is the spelling of center. The spelling of center is C-E-N-T-E-R. It is not C-E-N-T-R-E, which is a common confusion while writing the spelling of center. Let us have a look at the program for heading tags. So here on the left hand side we have the notepad file in which we have the code for heading tags. In the right hand side we have our Chrome browser where we have the execution of heading tags. First statement, doctype HTML, HTML, head, title. Title is heading tag. The same title is displayed in the title bar. After that we close the head section. Body section starts H1 align equal to center. Now when we write align equal to center, the text which is present between H1 and /H1 will be displayed in the center. We can observe that in the output, CPS is displayed in the center. Next, H2 CPS /H2, H3, H4, H5 and lastly H6. Align equal to right CPS H6. So here we have our H6 heading CPS which is aligned to the right hand side. In the output we can observe H1 has the highest font and H6 is the smallest font. The size goes on decreasing from H1 to H6. So this is H1 heading, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H2, H3, H4 and H5 are aligned to the left hand side of the page as no attribute has been used in the code. This is the default value of the align attribute. Students, it is observed when you get a question like write HTML code to display heading plants on the web page, then instead of writing the heading in the body section, some of them write the heading in the head section. This is completely wrong. We cannot write headings in the head section. If we write heading in the head section, it is totally wrong. This statement is not correct. Headings should be written in the body section only. The head section is from the starting of the web page till the address bar. So if we want any text to be displayed on the web page, we must write it in the body section. Please make note of this when you are writing your programs. Now we come to the next tag. The next tag is paragraph tag. Whenever we want to display paragraphs on the web page, we use p tag. P tag is also a pair tag. It has a closing. P tag also has one attribute which is align. So it is used to define paragraphs. It is represented as P paragraph /P. The text between P and /P will become the paragraph. Paragraph tag has one attribute, align, with values left, right and center. Default value is left. Let us understand P tag with a program. This is the example for p tag. On the left hand side, we have the code. On the right hand side, we have the execution. First statement, doc type HTML as always. Then HTML, head, title. The title of the page is paragraph tag. Title closes, head section closes, body section starts. H1 CPS, this is just a heading which is written. Then P, this is the first paragraph. This is our first paragraph. It closes with slash P. Then P, align equal to right. In the second paragraph, we have used align attribute and the value is right. This is the second paragraph and paragraph closes. The body section closes, HTML closes. This is the heading of the page H1 aligned towards the left hand side. This is the paragraph, first paragraph. Since no attribute is used, default value is considered and it is aligned to left hand side. This is the second paragraph aligned in the right hand side because of align equal to right. Students, in paragraph, a very common mistake that many of the people make is they write P1, P2, P3. So this is completely wrong. Whenever we are writing paragraphs, we write only P tag. Even though if you are writing thousands of paragraphs, we have to write only P tag. We don't have to write a number. P1, P2, P3 is incorrect. So remember, when you are writing paragraph, it has to be only P. Also, you must have observed when we are using paragraphs and headings, there is no need of using BR tag. When we use H1 and P tag, automatically there is going to be a new line character, that is enter, used after the paragraph or after the headings. So this is about the paragraph tag.